So today guys, I'll be showing you an unboxing of one of the Vigo EV chargers. Now, this is the box that it will come to you in. As you can see, the Vigo Verve Connect branding, so that's the overall company, but the brand is Vigo. Here you can see the statement of compliance letter is enclosed on the side. If you turn around the box, you can see here you'll have the details of the model of the charger. So in this video, we'll be showing you the unboxing for an R22, but it's going to be very, very similar to the R7B and R7A, and I'll explain the differences as I go along. So when you open up the box, you'll find the protective foam, which you can take out. This is useful for holding the charger upside down later. So you can see the charger is in here. At the bottom you have the CT clamps. Over in the corner you have the dynamic load management box. Here you have the mounting bracket and some screws, and underneath the charger you'll have the quick start guide and some RFID tags. So I'm going to speed up the video now, lay these all out nicely so you can see everything on the table. So if you come have a look, before I take it out, you can see that the quick start guide and RFID tags are in the bottom here. First impressions. Solid steel casing all around. So you can see this is steel, the sides and the back. Everything is really sturdy steel. Next thing, the socket. So Type 2 socket. All three models look the exact same, except for a few minor differences, but all of them are untethered Type 2 socket. Yeah. Then we have the cable inlet position. So if you come have a look here, this is where your main supply lead will come in. This is the gland for it. Slightly to the right of it, you have the Ethernet hole. So that's the hole that you can put an Ethernet cable through. And to the right of that is an emergency stop button. So if I turn the charger to its side, you can see here there is some details about the charger. You'll be able to see the serial number just over somewhere there. Can't see it, upside down. Anyway, oh yes, up here, sorry. On this one, you can see that the serial number is there starting with 322. And this QR code, this is a really important QR code for when you're integrating it to the Monta app. So this will do all the steps for you all in one go once it's installed on your wall and internet connected. So that's a really useful QR code. And if you want to find out more, have a look at the integration video that we have on this channel. So having a look at the front panel, so you can see steel on the sides. Here you've got this glass, black glass, and at the top of this black glass you can see an RFID reader. So that is used for these RFID tags that came in the packaging. The R7B and the R22 model come with the RFID reader, but the R7A does not. Just underneath that you can see this white line. Now this line is actually an LED light, and that is the status light indicator indicating to you what is happening with the charger. So if it's flashing green, it means it's charging, and so on. Let's have a look at inside what you will see if you are installing the charger. So if you turn to look at the back, you can see there are two compartments, the top compartment and the bottom compartment. The top compartment you don't need to touch. That holds the main PCB board and circuit. However, the bottom part, this is what you'll need for installation. Really simple, really easy. Unscrew these 7 screws, and then you gain access to the 4G SIM card, Ethernet port, and the power. And that's all you really need. So I'm going to speed up the video now and unscrew each of these and show you what's inside. So I almost forgot to tell you, but in the packaging contents comes an Allen key that will help you unscrew these if you don't have the Torx bit yourself. So once you've unscrewed all those 7 screws, put them to the side, you can now access the main supply and other things. So immediately you have tamper protection for extra safety here. Here you have the power supply. This is the 3-phase model, so you have 6 lines, but in the single-phase model you'll 5 lines, and in the single-phase model you'll have 3. You can see up here you have a 4G SIM card. So with the R7B and R22 model, they come with a pre-inserted SIM card, and that gives you access to 1 year's free 4G subscription. Just below that, you can see the Ethernet cable. If you want to know more about the internet configuration, have a look at the other videos on our channel. So, for the installation purposes, this charger has pen fault protection and also an RCD type A with the DC 6 mA installed as standard on every single charger. It uses OCPP as its communication language, and so it's able to do all the different smart charging functionality you would expect. You integrate it with the Monta app, and once you've integrated it to the Monta app, you are then able to control it via any mobile device. With the R7B and the R22 model, they come with an additional MID energy meter. So what that means is the energy meter is super accurate, meaning that you can sell that energy that is used by the charger to your customers. Whereas the R7A is got an onboard meter which is very accurate, but it's not for commercial purposes. So once you put the mounting bracket back on, this is the back plate. So this is how you'd mount it to either a wall or the EV tower pedestal. So these 3 holes are used for the wall, these 2 holes are for the EV tower pedestal. And at the bottom here you can see the security holes which match up with those ones on the bottom there. 1, 2. Let's focus on the dynamic load management. So here you can see there are three CT clamps. 3 because this is the 3-phase model. If it was the R7A or R7B, you'll just get 1 CT clamp. But either way, regardless of which model, you'll always get this little box. Now this is the dynamic load management box. What that means is this box is going to prevent your home circuit from tripping any fuses. Okay, it's going to keep your electricity supply really, really safe. Now, if you want to find out more about how that works and how to install it, check out the video in the description below. So, in summary, we have a new EV charger to the UK market. It has full metal casing, pen fault protection, the dynamic load management accessories are included as standard, and also you have 1 year free 4G subscription. Make sure to check out all our other videos on our channel, as these will really help you with any queries that you might have upon installation. Thank you for listening.